Hello, greetings and salutations. Right, I want to show you around my incredible free, no obligation Facebook group because it is providing so much value to lots of people who are interested in looking at trading, but not really sure they want to commit to anything in particular. So I'm going to share my screen and show you what a lovely safe place this is for you to come and have a look around. Right, okay, so this is my Facebook group. It's called Making Sense of Forex Trading, and it is a public group. You can come into this group, you can look around, you can be part of our community. There's no obligation to join anything. This is literally there for you to showcase what we do on a daily basis, to give you free training, free help, free support when it comes to you and your trading. So in this group, you will find a welcome post here, which basically tells you about our particular ninja team and how we're so successful and what we do and what we provide for you. Okay, and then if you go down, there's going to be trainings in here. So this is the latest training that I've posted. This is our BYOB cash out with the Ninjacator indicator training, which is there for you to get. If you want to take a 7-day free trial of the live trading sessions, you can join your name there and come and join us. Here's a little testimony of people that have joined our live trading sessions. See, amazing session. These sessions are tremendous. Overall trend of these sessions is fun, educational, keeps it simple but keeps it real. That's the Ninja team. So you can come and have a play of that if you want to. Here's another video clip here of Anne and Brian in our team who are giving you some mindset training, a little snippet into some of our live tradings there. Some advice here not to trade particular pairs for the day. Some more of our group testimonies here, some fun graphics about different trading styles. This one here, when your trade decides to spend the day going sideways, move. So this group is fun. It's not all serious. It's not all kind of pitch. It's fun. Some little live videos of me trading some of the Ninjacators that we have, the indicators that we're using. See, look, people think this is funny. People are loving this stuff, right? So another more little trainings, little snippets of me trading as well. This is funny. Look, I was in a sale for this pair, right? And look, I wanted my 10 pips, and look, it came down. Look how close it got to touching my 10 pips, right? And then look, it started going the wrong way. So I was just kind of emphasizing that it's sod's law when you hit when you've got to take profit, and it misses it by seconds. Some more wonderful testimonies here. We do a live Q&A session for our members. So if they've got any worries, any troubles, any technical stuff, they can come in here in a safe environment and learn and ask questions. We've got this is our Trade Hub chat, which I've given you a little screenshot of. People are winning their 10 pips. Look, 10 pips, 10 pips. A training here. This is a lot size calculator, how to do your pips. Some more showing you the Ninjacators here, some more videos. Some graphics you can use, how to use buy stops, sell stops. A position size calculator, so if you're worried about what sort of lot sizes you should be using. Some fun stuff about people when they ask you if you're trading or not, and they laugh at you, and people do because they don't understand. This is our live trading sessions. Okay, so if you join us as a member, this is the live sessions that we do on a daily basis. These are all of our Ninja members in our group, and they do this completely voluntary to help you. So this is how we do it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There's always sessions going on. And also you have the I Am Live educators that we recommend as well in there. So that's all fabulous stuff. And your compounding spreadsheet, how to work out your 10 pips a day and how to compound your money. So there is a unit section in here that you can go to for training, your trading spreadsheets. I've also got in here a 5-day free success guide to how to trade Forex. That's completely free there for you. Free bonuses, watch me trade live, how to use swipe trades, some marketing advice, some other strategies that we're using. The BYOB strategy is the one we concentrate on because it's so user friendly as regards to being new. It's so simple. You go for your 10 pips, 3-step process. So there's training in there. Some FAQs, lots of questions that people ask are all answered in here, and also your charts and resources. So you've got your PDFs, your FX books, your compounding spreadsheets. There we go. So this group now has, I think we are up to 1,026 members in here. So when you come and join this group, you can literally just hang out here with me. I do trainings and all that sort of exciting stuff. So I'd love to welcome you into that. If you want to join our 7-day free trial, let me just show you that group. Is it this one? Yeah. So this is the free trial group that you'll be entered into. You can only put 10 people in this a week. Okay. So this is sort of very tight security on this one, because we are using some of our paid tools. So, you know, this is a 7-day only in here. So Paul welcomes you into the group here. And then we do all our daily live tradings that we do in our Ninja team. We are sharing them with our 7-day members. So look, this is all stuff that we are sharing and streaming into this group. This is the live trading sessions that people go on. See, people can jump on here, really relaxed, really, you know, people just come on and learn and educate themselves. Oh, thank you, Paul. So yeah, there's lots of stuff on here. Sharon trades live, Paul trades live. So you can come into this group for 7 days, completely no obligation to join anything. Just come and have a look and see what we do as well. And you'll also be added to my private 7-day free trial chat. Okay, so in here I will add the links to the free trial trainings, and I will add the links to the Zooms. There we go. That's a live trade in there that I'll add as well. Let you know what's going on, and where you can ask questions as well. So that is why I would love to see you inside my Making Sense of Forex Trading group. You are so welcome to come in. Honestly, there's no obligation. I just want to help people. I want to teach you how to trade. I want to teach you how to trade safely, how to trade successfully, and how to build your financial futures. So I see you in that group. There is a link in this description to that group. Just click on the link, come in. I think you get asked 3 questions basically. Are you in IM Academy? Are you interested in our 7-day trial? Have you got any experience? It's really simple. I just want to get to know you a little bit on that first entry, and then I can add you to the group, and then you're in, and you're one of us, you're part of us. So yes, please just click on the link below. There's also lots of information down below as well if you want to have a look at our group as a whole. So please, can't wait to see you in there. I'm so excited to see all my new members come in, and I can get to know you all and connect with you. It's a great place to connect with me personally as well. So see you there. Bye everyone.